Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset Instagram feed. Let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Instagram app on your mobile phone and go to the search option. Here you have to first make sure you have cleared the search history. For example, you have searched for something. You have to go back and here you have to go to see all and tap on clear all here. And the next step is you have to go to the phone or Instagram settings by tapping on the profile picture. And here you have to tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down until you find the option Content Preferences. Here you will see the option Reset Suggested Content. Now tap on Next and your Instagram feed will be reset. That's it. Follow these steps to reset your Instagram feed and make it more personalized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.